Can you name the body parts of this chocolate bunny?
Sure, I can. Feet. Feet. You know, real bunnies have feet that can hop. It is believed bunnies enjoy the company of other bunnies. They must hop a lot to visit one another. Bunnies have tails that look like cotton balls.
Nice! You know a lot about bunnies. Let's try to name another body part using our chocolate bunny.
That sounds good to me. Hand. Hand. You know, real bunnies don't have hands, they have paws. Bunnies use their front and back paws for many things.
I guess like people use their hands and feet for many different things.
Right.
Let's look at our chocolate bunny and try to name another part of its body.
I'm ready if you are. Face. Face. Like people, bunnies all have different faces. They also have different fur lengths and are different colors. Bunnies also come in different sizes.
I guess it would be boring if all the bunnies looked alike.
Just like it would be boring if all people looked alike.
Now, let's look at our chocolate bunny again. Let's name another body part.
Ear. Ear. Did you know some bunnies' ears flop while other bunnies' ears stand straight up?
Yes, I did know that.
Sometimes I like to put on a pretend set of bunny ears and hop around.
I see. Well, let's look at our chocolate bunny once more. Let's name another body part.
Perfect. Nose. Nose. Sometimes my friends like to put on their pretend bunny noses and make believe they are bunnies.
That sounds like lots of fun.
I love to watch bunnies use their noses.
Congratulations, you not only named all the parts correctly, but you know a lot about bunnies.
Thank you. I think bunnies are epic, and I think this chocolate bunny looks yummy. What are you going to do with it?
I thought I'd save it for Easter morning. Why do you ask?
I have a better idea for it right now. Let's eat it.